కరోనా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పాఠం నేర్పిందన్నారు చీఫ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెన్స్ స్టాఫ్ బిపిన్ రావత్. వైరస్ ను ఎదుర్కోవడానికి సహనం, క్రమశిక్షణ సహాయపడుతుందని చెప్పారు. ప్రతి రంగంలో స్వావలంబన సాధించాల్సిన సమయం వచ్చిందని తెలిపారు. కరోనా నివారణ చర్యల్లో ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్, ఆర్మీ, నేవీ దళాలు పాల్గొంటున్నాయన్నారు బిపిన్ రావత్.
Defence services are concerned, we do understand our responsibility. This time, when the nation is fighting this menace of COVID, the defence services must operate beyond the mandate and come to the support of our people and of our government in whatever way we can. But in order to do so, we have to first ensure that we remain safe from COVID. Because if our own soldiers, sailors and airmen get affected by this virus, then how are we going to come to the support of our people? Therefore, we have issued very strict directions on social distancing, on wearing of masks, on ensuring that people who are required to be quarantined remain in quarantine. We do not come in undue contact with anybody unless it is completely unavoidable. All our meetings and conferences that are taking place through video conferencing. And directions are being issued by our medical fraternity, that is by the DG Armed Forces Medical Services, on how we have to ensure the state of health of our soldiers and airmen under these difficult times. At the same time, we are adhering to all the instructions that are coming to us from the highest body in our country, that is the PMO, from the meetings that are being organized at the level of the Cabinet Secretary. We are attending meetings of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and whatever directions are emanating are percolating right down to the rank and file, and we are ensuring that these reach in the right time, in the right manner. So therefore, at this juncture, it is very important for us to maintain strict discipline and patience. We do know that when the country is in lockdown and when people are told to stay indoors, they tend to become impatient. But this is not the time to be impatient. Patience is very much important, and we have to ensure that we maintain discipline. Maintaining discipline is not a big problem in the armed forces because we are accustomed to maintaining discipline. But to maintain patience is what I think is the need of the hour. And we have to ensure that along with our countrymen, in fact, we reach out to the countrymen and explain to them how to be patient in these times. We don't have to get agitated.